XM Review. XM Group, XM, is a full dealing desk broker which offers floating spreads and suits all kinds of traders. XM offers swap-free Islamic accounts as well as a variety of other account types to suit traders. It is a perfect broker for scalpers, intraday traders as well as long-term traders because of the tight spreads, fast execution times and good analysis software. XM has a low minimum deposit, making this broker accessible for traders just starting out. If you are looking for an Islamic swap-free account, open a regular trading account with XM, log into your members area to validate your account, and then you are able to request an Islamic account. Promotions. XM offers a variety of promotional offers to new traders that I find quite competitive with the marketplace. Below is a screenshot which was taken at the time of writing to give you an idea of what you can expect as a welcome from XM. XM Group account types. XM offers 4 different account types, where 3 of them are real accounts and the other a demo account. All accounts have an optional Islamic account option to make it swap-free. The different real accounts offer traders flexibility in the minimum deposits and contract size. Demo account for practicing how to trade as well as for testing trading strategies. You can use it for as long as you want, it does not expire, and you can trade on the live markets, risk-free. For more information on the demo account and sign up, click here. Micro account. This is the smallest account with a minimum deposit of $5, and a wide range of base currencies are possible. Contract size for this account is 1 lot equals 1,000 units, and spreads for majors are as low as 1 pip. Standard account. This account also has a minimum of $5 deposit and the same wide range of base currencies. The difference is in the contract size, where 1 lot equals 100,000 units. Zero account. Arguably my favorite account at XM is this account. It has a higher minimum deposit of $100, but the spreads on majors can be as low as 0, and other spreads will also see a reduction from other account types. Contract size is 1 unit equals 100,000 units for this account, but the base currencies are limited to United States dollars, JPY and euros. Leverage at XM Group. XM has a flexible leverage depending on your account type and also the size of the trade. Using a high level of leverage adds additional risk. The leverage offered is 1:1 to 500, $5, $20,000, 1:1 to 200, $20,001, $100,000, and 1:1 to 100, $100,001 plus. Trading platforms. XM offers a variety of 8 trading platforms which include MT4 and MT5 terminal, iPhone Trader, MT4 for Mac, Web Trader, Mobile Trader, iPad Trader, Android Trader. The iPhone Trader platform allows you to trade using your iPhone. The MT4 for Mac platform allows you to trade using your Mac computer. The Web Trader platform is for trading on the website. Don't have to download it. The iPad platform is for trading using an iPad device. The Droid Trader is for use on an Android device. All the XM platforms allow the use of expert advisors, EAs, and indicators. Banking options. There are a variety of ways of depositing and withdrawing cash from your XM account. XM Group accepts the most commonly used local payment methods today, including